Well, we got a terrific reaction to the video I did on planting the beautiful magnolias. This is one called Susan that we featured in my last video. And thank you for all your questions. You've been asking what's the best location to plant a magnolia. You've also asked about the best type of fertilizer to plant and also the best method for planting. So first of all, this is a perfect time for planting magnolias in your garden. They like to be in a bright location that's sheltered. So pick a location in your garden with plenty of space, because this particular variety will grow anything up to 8 or 9 feet in height with a spread of up to 6 feet. The white variety called Stellata that I featured is a smaller variety, only growing to 6 feet, and again a spread of about 5 feet. So give them a little bit of space, have them in a bright location in your garden, but somewhere sheltered from the winds, because the flowers can be delicate in early spring and the foliage can also be delicate. You can plant them in a lawn situation, for example. You can plant them amongst other trees and shrubs in your own garden. But a beautiful plant that flowers reliably every spring. When planting, dig a hole larger and deeper than the pot. Make sure that you add some ericaceous compost, because magnolias like a slightly acidic soil, and that's another question you've been asking, the type of soil. So slightly acidic, add some ericaceous compost. To that, I would also mix some of the ericaceous slow release fertilizer. This is designed to feed the magnolia whilst it's growing over a 6-month period. So the fertilizer slowly releases right through the spring and summer period, making sure your magnolia is really healthy. And then each year, you can feed your magnolia and your rhododendrons and azaleas, any of the ericaceous plants, with a liquid ericaceous feed. I use this from May right through till September, and it really gives fantastic results. So remember, this is the perfect time for planting magnolias in your garden. They come in a whole range of different colours. For really good success, use the ericaceous compost, mix the slow release fertilizer through it. Pick a nice sheltered but bright location for the magnolia and liquid feed during the summer. Here at Horkans, we're open 7 days in our Galway, Sligo and Castlebar stores, Monday to Saturday 9:30 to 6 p.m. and every Sunday from 11 right through to 6. Catch you then.